Welcome back. It's road trip time.
We're headed to Colorado Springs for Thanksgiving, and we're going to be doing a road trip for about a week and a half, I guess. Pretty quick, in and out. I'm going to run through all the things we need to do before we take off on a trip.
Pack the bags, fill up the car, make the dog food, wash the dog, load the snowboards, stock the fridge, and pack the van. Whew.
Morning. It's 5 a.m. We are taking a pee break at Walmart. We have a good day planned. We're currently in Idaho. We left Seattle yesterday at 3, drove about 10 hours last night, stayed at a beautiful campsite, and now we're headed here. We drove about an hour and a half outside of Boise, almost 2 hours outside of Boise, to come to some hot springs. But as we pulled in, we had another...
Pretty.
It is really pretty. We had another four cars pull in. I'm not feeling very social today. I'm not feeling very social today.
I want to go down.
Oh, we're gonna film.
I love mass swimming pools with large men gathering together closely together. Awesome.
We're gonna film these people down here and look like total creepers. Pretty awesome though. Okay, we changed our minds.
Oh my god, update. Newsflash.
We changed our minds. We're not going to...
Brian convinced Maurice to go
Yes.
down.
I was poo-pooing the whole idea. Have a little quiet time.
It doesn't look that shitty.
No, it looks awesome. Look how clear it is.
It's actually, it's warming up to it now.
It's really nice and super hot,
It's right there.
which makes me happy.
What do you think, Maurice? Did this turn out okay?
It's better than I thought it would
Yeah. It's not a bad deal.
be. Pretty nice.
We
I
got
thought
the
it
whole
would be
time.
freezing because it's only 18 inches deep, but it's kind of perfect.
We do have a Hams can floating right there. We'll grab that on the way out, though.
Yeah, we will.
Definitely.
Yeah, we will. And we have this awesome view.
We do.
This view is brought to you by Hams.
This view is brought to you by Hams. This clip is for Jeff Cowles and the ham sign that we have found that has been lost.
That was awesome. Brian, thank you. Good job. Good job. We pulled over at a really great spot on our ride. Decided to take the scenic route to Steamboat. We had to go pretty slow, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Haven't seen a whole lot of cars. It's a lot of rocks. Brian took Klaus out. Eat my ghetto candle because I love them. Did a quick lunch and then hit the road. How cool is this? Oh, these are hot springs? Yeah, Sunbeam. Oh, this is the one. 1937. That's pretty awesome. Sunbeam Hot Springs. We stopped on our way. This was number 2 hot springs we were supposed to hit. Here's the bathhouse.
Think about back in the early 1900s, you didn't have hot water, so this is like a frickin'. You had to heat up.
This is where they took baths.
You had to heat up buckets for the bath. Come down, Scrub the biscuits.
Scrub the biscuits. Advice from Brian. I almost called you Klaus.
My lord. It's pretty awesome.
Scratch and sniff.
I like this song. It doesn't bother me at all. Where does it come from, Maurice?
So hot springs are trippy because they come from the boiling earth.
The boiling earth.
You've seen Dante's Peak.
I have.
People got boiled.
They barely got out.
I
This
know,
is the money hole right there.
Yeah,
Nice. He's like, there's 250 head, just take it easy. Alright, so how does this work? They got runny noses. They look delicious. That's 250 head. Got the boys and girls hanging out together.
I didn't know we'd get to herd cattle on this trip.
Heck yeah.
Ladies.
And this is what you see in Idaho.
I want to stop and look at this. Oh my god.
What's up, guys? Holy crap. This reminds me of the ducks in Thailand. It's like crazy.
Oh, we're getting interesting.
That's what happens when you mix. Oh my god, they're hitting the van. Literally hitting the van. This guy's crushing the hams.
Oh, he's got his Coors Light.
Yeah, Rocky Top. I like it. You'd probably be pissed if I said delicious Miller Lite. And that's that. And action.
And by the way, if you've never had a chance to drive through the back roads of Idaho, you really need to change that.
Dip that mango in there. Put a little chocolate mango.
Oh, I thought about it, but that might make me not want regular ones anymore. I don't need another
Vice.
Yeah. You've been filling in all my words today because I can't think of anything.
Carb warning ahead.
Carb warning. Now he's saying carbs.
What the hell?
Carb warning.
Why do you gotta judge me?
He's giving us a carb warning. Shut up, Chewy. Mind your own business.
First time back in Steamboat since we bought our place. Together, I should say. So super excited. It's weird. It's totally different now. Rolling into here and being that this is going to be our place that we're going to live. It's just weird. Totally weird.
Dude, it's totally weird.
And we've been here, I don't even know how many times over the years when we lived in Denver and
15.
Seattle. Coming out here, even when we lived in Seattle, we had hit this a few times, so it's just odd, the vibe that it has now coming in, so that it's going to be our hometown.
Awesome. We're like, hi! Hi!
Come visit Steamboat now before it turns into something completely different. It'll be so beautiful, though.
What will be beautiful?
All the design work you're going to do here.
Oh,
Marty.
hell yeah. I'm not even going to know what hit him. Good morning. We've landed in Steamboat, which you already knew. And we stayed in the bus terminal. Just where we stayed last year at Christmas time, and it was great. We have a walking path for Klaus. It's right on the Yampa River. So Klaus, he loves it. Today we're going to hit the hill. Do, I don't know, maybe a half day. There's only about 10 runs open because it's not even Thanksgiving yet, so. Did a couple runs today, maybe like 5. There's not a whole lot of snow on the hill. Mostly man-made snow, mostly ice, but you know, better than nothing. And then look what we get to come back to. Oh, it's Klausy.
Early morning with the noodle. The fun part of having Klausy in the van. Well, what do you think, buddy? That's it? Come on, let's go. Got a little freshy fresh this morning.
Well, as much as we love you, Steamboat, it's time to move on.
We left Steamboat yesterday, well, last night, and we're now staying in a lot near Copper Mountain. And Brian and I, well, Brian has convinced me to get up early. I'm going to skin a copper. Wow! It's the day before Thanksgiving. We attempted to go to Copper Mountain and do some skinning, but we got yelled at by a ski patrol, which we didn't know. So after all the belly aching from me, we did it, and we made it about, how far up did we make it, do you think? 100 yards. We made it. Well, not that far. Now we're headed to Colorado Springs. Go see some fam. I use what I like best.
All right. You guys have a great Thanksgiving.
You too.
You too.
Get after it, Floyd Lloyd Boyd. I want to see a picture with you with a turkey leg in front of your mouth like we had in Frisco. So.
You want to take your thunder shirt off? Go see, go see! I'm coming in hot.
Oh, hi.
Hello! Hello!
Nice, you got the snow scoop.
We'll be spending Thanksgiving in Colorado Springs, where there is no shortage of wildlife. When we left Colorado, we knew we'd hit a little weather. What we didn't expect is weather that would shut down all of I-80 across the entire state of Wyoming.
We're in about 65-mile-an-hour winds, maybe more. If you watch the dingle balls, it shows how much we're shaking. This is my life right now. I'm gonna be here for 2 days. That's not cool. Oh, there's people in a car. any happier. So I'm taking him out to the bathroom. Come on, buddy. Oh my God. Ran to this little thing and my fingers are already frozen. Hurry up, Klaus. Make it happen. You look funny in that outfit. You look pretty funny. I got here at 8 last night. It's probably close to 10 in the morning now, and the highway is supposed... he's fine. The highway is closed all of I-80, basically all through, from I-25 in Colorado all the way through just Salt Lake City, which is where we turn off. It's closed potentially until 4 p.m. tomorrow, which even if that opens at 4 tomorrow, that's right before dark. I mean, we were hoping to be home Sunday afternoon, and at this point, Monday, yeah, we'll keep this little thing updated. So this is our home away from home right now. This is where Klaus and I come to get out of the van. This is what I'm dealing with. So we're gonna meet Brian outside. We're gonna go play in the snow. We have been here for 24 hours officially, and we have at least another 12 to go. So we're trying to make the best of our rest stop Wyoming experience. All right, here we go. Woo!
Baby!
This is nuts. We took Lassie for a poop run. This is the shit. This is the shit we have to deal with.
Look at Mr. Noodle, he doesn't care.
Loves it. Loves it. Goodbye, home away from home. Do you have any words?
You know, I went to the bathroom enough times that...
You're good?
Time to go.
You've done what you needed to do here?
What I need.
We didn't know we had such a nice view. All right, on the road.
Luckily, the rest of our drive was cow, ice, and wind free. We're headed back to Seattle. See you next time.